Well, finally, and I wanted to share this with everybody, and I also want to do this as quickly as possible because it's been a really, really long journey for these two little snakes. This is my first time actually meeting them. Well, of course, Gay. They arrived today via plane, so I just got back from the airport, and I've been keeping Heidi and Neo informed of the journey and so forth. They've been anxiously awaiting that they're here, they're safe, and that all is doing well. And I don't know if my daughter was at me or at the box, but it doesn't really matter.
Both at the same time.
Both at the same time. But
I keep waiting for you to open it and then you start talking.
Taylor says, you know, let's get this open and so forth. So, really, this is the first time, well, apart from, you know, me actually physically going and getting snakes locally and bringing them home, this is the first time I've actually had them arrive from interstate, and believe me, the process has been rather long and arduous, and Heidi was up 3 a.m. this morning and heading to the airport and getting these guys put on the plane to arrive in here. Of course, then I got there and they were delayed again by an hour, but that's all good. They're here and that's the main thing. So, of course, like everybody, how do I, you know, get these cut and open as quickly as possible? And I often say, you should do this before you even start filming, and here I am doing exactly the same thing myself. I have seen Ishi moving around and putting a little nose up, and of course a phone will ring while I'm I shall just put this on silent, and even though I really wanted to take it for my young boy, I'm sure he'll get back to me, or I'll get back to him when I finish the video. This right now is my priority, and I also have, would you believe, another unboxing which is related to reptiles too that I want to share with you. So let's see, and I'm sure Ishi is a little stressed, so let's hope that she's
it's got tape on their side.
She's okay, and not too bothered in having a go at me. These guys were organised through Scales and Feathers here in Australia, who do this sort of thing for you and get everything sorted in terms of the packing and making sure everything's okay, and there is a fee for doing this, so, but have done, yeah. And this is always the hardest one, obviously, to do, but there we go. The scissors are sharper than what I thought they would be. So let's do this very, very gently and let Ishi know that it's a person here. Hello, darling. Hello, darling girl. Okay. A little bit cold. Are you not? Just a little bit cold. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous girl. This is Ishi. She's a blotched python, we call them, but as you know, they're spotted pythons. She's a little bit smaller than, of course, Maya. She's only been eating mice because Neo and Heidi have had a bit of difficulty getting rats, but I'm pretty sure that Ishi will eat rats just fine, but I'll get her settled in here first. But there she is, and I'm so glad that she's here after all this time of getting them here. And Neo and Heidi have gone above and beyond. It would have been so much easier for them to have them homed down there somewhere, but no, they went through and paid a lot of money sending up her enclosure and flying her up here, and that is dedication to wanting to find a good home for your snakes. And it wasn't easy for either of them to give them up at all. It was due to health, and only because of health. And I've been the person that's been lucky enough to be able to say, yes, I will have them, take care of them, love them, look after them for the rest of their lives for them. So Heidi and Neo do not need to worry about me looking after them and how long will I have them, because it will be forever. And as you can see, Ishi is perfectly fine. She is not worried about me, even after this big long journey today. So I am going to put her into her little enclosure. It's not little actually, it's a nice sized enclosure for Ishi, and let her start warming up and remembering what her little home is like, because I'm sure she's forgotten by this particular stage, because the whole process has taken months, guys. I'm just glad she's here. So Ishi, do you want to say hello to everybody, and specifically say hello to your mum and dad out there and thank them very much for having taken such good care of you? Hey? Okay, let's put Ishi in and let her definitely warm up, even though she's getting a little bit of body heat from me right now. Okay, baby, here we go. Here is your home. All right? Are you ready to go in there and take a look around? Oh, little Chase decided to put a little bit of a decoration in there for her. I haven't changed this enclosure very much at all, guys. I've just added a nice big branch for it to climb on. A little bit of more greenery to the side, but pretty much everything you see Neo already had done for her, and has done an incredible job setting this enclosure up and making it for her to enjoy. So let's get her, if she wants to. There you go, sweetie. There's your little home, darling. What do you think? Hey? I did give it all a clean out. Got it all ready for her. All I've got to do is just put some water in her water bowl, which I will do very shortly. And I will just let her get settled in there. And it is nice and warm for her. So there's little Ishi. Welcome to the family. So now we have a little car. Car assistance. So I haven't had one of these little guys in my life, so this will be wonderful as well. Car apparently is more outgoing, huge personality, all the rest of it. So that's wonderful to know. Paperwork and everything, their little booklet about them and all the rest of it is coming soon. So I look forward to reading that. But Neo and Heidi have kept me well informed about them and what they're like and their personalities and so on. So they sound amazing. So let's go, Car, and let's see how you're doing in there. So I saw Ishi moving around on the way home in here, but Car I haven't seen moving. He's smaller than Ishi. So let's see this gorgeous boy. Oh, of course. Okay, sweet pea. Let's get you going. So your mum and dad can make sure that you're okay, or see that you're okay. I'm the one making sure that you are okay in there. Where are you, sweetie? Down there hiding? Ah, yes you are. Yes you are, darling. Come on, sweetie. Oh, he's such a little boy. Have a look. Is he just not gorgeous? Hello, darling. Wow. He is gorgeous, Neo and Heidi. Just gorgeous. Hey, you've had a big trip to do. Wow. Okay, sweetie. Okay. I don't know what to say. I knew he was little. I didn't realize just how little he was. But he is. He's just a little boy. Wow. Are you a boy? Yeah. There you go, guys. Stimson python. That is what they look like. As you can see, a little bit different to the spotted. Though, if you were out there herping and just saw them, you kind of would wonder, is that a little spotted or a Stimson? And I will get Ishi and Car out together so you can see the difference yourself, side by side. But for now, I just want to get Car into his little home. Well, his home is a lot bigger. A tub was sent up, that was all set for him, but I've decided to put him into an enclosure, and we'll see how he goes. Of course, if he appears stressed or worried in that bigger enclosure, of course I will put him into something smaller, but hopefully he'll do okay and enjoys the extra space. So let's spin this light. I can't actually, I've got too much junk in the way, but maybe Taylor can still see here. And we will put him in and let him go. I'll just let him decide where he'd like to venture to. Actually, looking at that height, it's a little bit big, but I've got smaller ones that I can change it with. And yeah, I'll put a bit smaller one exactly the same as the one here at the front. But you know, he can still go in there and he can actually hide away and explore down in there. So there you go. They're the two new little ones. Whoop. Making sure that's locked and I don't lose either of them when I've just got them. As you'll have seen the video with the Pani. Losing him and now just finding him. So let's get on to what's in this box. And I ordered these the other day. Similar to ones that I already use, but I decided to get, you know, it's always handy to have a few extra laying around, and I do know that Heidi and Neo have sent me a couple as well. So I'll just sit you there for the minute while I get this box out and actually open it. These are actually dimming thermostats. They're a newer design to the ones that I actually have. At the moment, Cars is on just the stop start, so I'll be switching him over. Also for Ishi, hers is on a stop start, but I'll leave that for now. So but it is good to have them. Now these were priced at, I think, $33, and I got two of them, so just to have as spares. And for that price, you know, I have, as I said, got the older version, which I can't currently, I can show you because I actually have one on Lily's and Amaya's at this. No, Amaya has a different one on Apani's. But yeah, this is the older version and they work perfectly fine, but I have noticed that they're just not reading the temperatures properly anymore, and hence why, you know, I've got these ones, and I will be ordering a couple more. Now when I say I've just noticed, I've probably had those other ones for 5 years now, and for, I think I paid $43 for them when I got them, so I'm not complaining at all for the price. And if, you know, certainly just keep your eye on them and make sure that they're working well. And yeah, 5 years down the track, yeah, I think it's brilliant. So I did get these on eBay, if anybody is interested in them. And, you know, just look up dimming thermostat for reptiles and these will come up, and it's nice and heavy as well, so it's not going to be falling all over the place. Yeah, you can hang it up on the side as well. Very easy to set up. They do run lights as well as the heating. So there you go, big unboxing day, but the best part of it all was unboxing and getting these little snakes out. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video today. I don't get to do this very often, of course, is unbox, but there she is climbing over there on the wall and hanging off a hammock and so forth. So guys, take care of yourself and your family. And there's Amaya, your snakes and all your animals. Ciao.